thanks for tuning in to Nail Art Madness. Today I'm going to be doing a Pride nail art tutorial video. As you can see, it's going to be a really vibrant, beautiful rainbow mixture color nail tutorial. And also on the ring finger you can see the word Pride. That is not going to be part of the tutorial. I'm not really good with writing with my non-dominant hand, so I decided to scratch that idea and go with a different look. I started off by painting my nails white and letting that dry completely. I did 2 coats, and I didn't do that for any other reason but to enhance the different colors of my rainbows to make them pop out and be more vibrant. That is totally optional. And I'm also using some nail stencils, stickers to help do the diagonal lines on my nails. You can also freehand if you're good at freehanding with your nail art brush. I ordered these in a big batch, and just a little bit of information on those. I ordered these off eBay from the supplier Quality Goods NC-9. I purchased these for $6, and I think it was 25 cents with free expedited shipping. They have raised their prices to $8.05 with free expedited shipping. You do get 1,275 pieces, which equals out to be 49 designs of stencils and stickers. I would like to warn though that the pictures are a little bit deceiving. Not all are accurate. To learn more about that, you can read in the description box. I explain that all there, and also on the blogger. I'm not going to get into that here, so it won't take up a lot of time on the video. But if you're interested in purchasing these, you can find the link in the description box, and under the link, it explains what to expect whenever you do order. So please go check that out. But moving on to the design itself. For the nail polishes, I used several different colors that were sort of neon colors that I really thought would pop out and make a good rainbow. You can use as many or as few of the colors as you would like. I'm not going to go over the colors here. In the description box or in the blogger will be a list of all the colors and where I purchased them from. Now what I'm going to do is take the nail stickers and I'm going to place them diagonally across my nail, and I'm going to cover the whole nail with the nail stickers except for the little corner at the tip of my nail, and that's where I'm going to start my polishing at. And before you start your polishing, you want to make sure you press firmly down on the nail stickers to make sure they are adhering to your nail, and then you're ready to polish. So here I just have a very old nail wheel that I used to do nail art designs on, and I'm just turning that over and using the nail pockets to put the polish in so I can polish my nail more easily. And I'm just starting off with a green color, and I'm just using a really small, flat, narrow nail art brush, and I'm going to polish in that empty space on the tip of my nail, and then I'm going to remove that nail sticker right beside of it. And then I'm going to repeat this process until my whole nail is covered in my polish. So I'm going to go ahead and finish this up, and I will be right back. Okay, right here is where the end of my stickers went, so I'm just going to freehand some diagonal lines right there. Really easy to do. Once completed, I'm going to take some acetone and clean up around the nail, and then the nail is complete. Now I'm going to give this a few minutes dry time while I do my other nails before I add my top coat. The dry time though on this is rather fast because it's such a thin layer. so here on my pinky nail, I am freehanding the nail art. I just wanted to use the nail stickers to show you both ways. If you're good at freehanding your own nail art, I suggest doing that. It makes it much quicker, but I also wanted to show both ways. After my nails have dried, I'm going to go in and add a top coat. I like to do 2 layers of my top coat to seal in that color really good. So here is the rainbow design, all complete and dry. You can leave your nails like this, but the only thing left for me to do is to add the design on the accent nail. So here is the design that I'm going to be doing. I'm going to have the female gender sign, male gender sign, and transgender sign. So that is going to be the design on the accent nail. So I'm going to start with some black polish and a dotting tool and do a circle in the center of my nail, a medium-sized circle in the center of the nail. And now I'm going to take my nail art brush and I'm going to draw 2 straight lines coming from each side of the circle on the top and 1 straight line down the center or out of the center on the bottom. I'm going to add an arrow to the top of the 2 lines that are going diagonally out of the circle. And now I'm going to add a straight line right under the arrow on one of the lines. For the bottom line, I'm just going to put a line directly across to make it look like a cross. I'm going to let it dry for just a couple minutes and do a top coat over it. And now it's complete. So that is it for this tutorial. I hope y'all enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe and hit your bell button for notifications when I upload new content. I try to upload a new video every Saturday. With school starting back, I have been a little bit behind, but now that school has started again, hopefully I'll get back into a routine of being able to upload every Saturday. Also, every subscriber gets a chance to win some sort of nail supply. The way to be notified for that is if you have me added to your Facebook. The links for the Facebook and the group are in the description box below. Be sure to add me to both, and that way I can notify you if you are a winner. The prizes are anything that has to do with nail supply. I try to pick out the best things that I think that people will like and send those out. Be sure to give the video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed, and I will see y'all next Saturday.